Facts you need to know: what cannot be grown hydroponically. Introduction to non-hydroponic plant cultivation. Traditional soil-based gardening is the primary method for cultivating certain plants due to their root structure and space needs. Key differences between soil and hydroponic growing include anchorage, access to water and nutrients, and adaptability to plant structures. Exploring alternatives to hydroponics offers valuable insights for selecting the best cultivation method. Soil-dependent factors impacting plant growth. Soil quality, critical for nutrient retention and plant health. Soil composition, balances organic and inorganic materials, enhancing moisture and root support. Nutrient availability, essential minerals like nitrogen and potassium directly affect growth and yield. pH levels, soil acidity or alkalinity impacts nutrient accessibility for roots. Microbial activity, beneficial microbes aid in nutrient cycling and disease control. Addressing soil quality and nutrient management. Regular soil testing identifies nutrient deficiencies and pH imbalances. Organic matter and compost improve soil structure and support microbes. Crop rotation and cover cropping sustain fertility and control diseases. Sustainable practices, like no-till farming and mulching, enhance long-term soil health. Root system requirements for non-hydroponic plants. Anchorage, roots provide stability in soil. Nutrient uptake, roots absorb essential nutrients. Soil interaction, roots enhance water and nutrient access. Resilience, roots adapt to compaction and low oxygen. Functionality, roots transport water and interact with microorganisms. Meeting the demands of soil-based root systems. Deep root systems are essential for absorbing moisture and nutrients in larger plants. Soil conditions, like drainage and aeration, can be managed through mulching and organic additions. Proper root structure in soil-based systems aids in resisting plant diseases and environmental stress. Plant size and structural needs in soil-based cultivation. Physical dimensions, larger root systems require ample space for growth. Support structures, plants may need stakes or trellises for stability as they mature. Light exposure, larger plants often require more sunlight, impacting garden layout. Growth patterns, plants growing in soil develop differently than in hydroponics, needing customized spacing and support. Traditional soil-based gardening as a hydroponics alternative offers a rich ecosystem of microbes, fungi, and beneficial insects. Provides a tactile understanding of soil management and plant health. Natural nutrient cycling sustains soil fertility over time, supporting long-term growth. Hands-on approach fosters a deep connection to traditional agriculture practices. Aeroponic systems, an advanced soilless alternative. Mist-based nutrient delivery, directs nutrients to roots without soil. Effective root oxygenation, roots in aeroponics have optimal access to oxygen for healthy growth. Water conservation, uses significantly less water than traditional methods. Disease reduction, soil-borne diseases are minimized, promoting plant health. Benefits of aeroponics for non-traditional growing. Precise nutrient control, reduces waste by delivering exact nutrients needed. Space efficiency, compact setups maximize growing potential in urban areas. Versatility, suits a variety of plants and is adaptable to indoor gardening. Reduced soil dependency, ideal for urban growers with limited outdoor access. Conclusion, exploring diverse growing methods. Soil-based and aeroponic methods each offer unique advantages. Non-hydroponic plants face challenges with soil quality, root structure, and plant size. By selecting the right method, gardeners can enjoy resilient, productive plants. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!